But I don't have a set. I don't have a set number.
I was stuck on 6 and 12 minutes.
Hey there YouTube, here's what I am working on this weekend. It's a Christmas tree stand and I made it to go on the outside. So this one will be actually on the outside of the home, and I wanted it to be able to hold a fairly large Christmas tree and be able to actually anchor it to the ground so it won't be tipped over if it gets windy. So that's why I have the open ends, and I have a couple of screws there that will be on the ends. And I didn't film making up the whole thing because as always it's pretty much basic stuff, but I just wanted to share with you guys the sort of stuff that I do with my welder. One thing that I didn't notice is that the scrap metal that I picked up, it was painted and it turned out to be galvanized, and I'll show you a piece. So it sort of looked like this, and now that I noticed it, it's on the inside. You could tell that it's galvanized, but I thought it wasn't. So I cut up all the pieces and started welding on them, and all of a sudden I noticed that it's getting this white residue and sort of yellowish smoke. So I just want to tell you guys, just be careful whenever you pick up some scrap metal like I did. And I had to actually wear a mask, open up all the doors, and I ended up welding it. I had no choice. I already put in so much work into it. So yeah, that was a bit of a bummer. But anyway, sort of came out okay, I guess. And so the idea is that this rebar will be used as a stake, and I'll hammer that into the ground. And then I'll have these tighten up against it so I could actually level this. So that will allow me to actually stake this into an even ground, so it's let's say on a slope or something. Also, so this will go in like so. And since it will be outside, I am not actually installing any sort of water reservoir over here, because it will pretty much be in sub-zero temperatures. So yeah, so that's the idea.